Hey everybody, this is Captain Dennis from Squalus Marine Divers. We're up here with Connecticut Scuba at Try Scuba, and Peter from the New Haven Sound School is here. Going to talk a little bit about one of the programs they've got going up on the school. Pete, what do you got going on up there?
So we're entering our 4th year of a full scuba dive training program for our students. It's part of our vocational model. We have our partner in Connecticut Scuba Academy. So far we've been training students in open water, earning their certifications through SDI. We have advanced dive students now, and we're starting to put together a scientific dive training program for our students as well.
Okay, how many students do you think have participated in the plan since it started?
Over the past 4 years, we've certified easily over 50 students.
50 students, okay. And what's the kids' response? I mean, they dig it?
They love it. This year, we had our biggest response ever. We filled up our class in one day.
Wow.
The excitement was so high, we're looking to expand, bring more faculty involved so we can meet the need for more students.
Okay, now let me ask you a question. Is there something that you guys need from the public, maybe like awareness or something to kind of continue to grow?
Absolutely. All the public support we can get. It's an exciting school. Our kids are doing ocean underwater research. We built an artificial oyster reef. We're always looking for more people to connect with and expand and collaborate. Our students are eager to put their skills to use, to be involved in more diving, local restoration efforts. So yes, we're always available and ready to work with the community.
And if somebody wanted to reach out to either volunteer or participate or help out, how would they contact you?
The best way to get in touch is through our Facebook page. If you search Sound School Dive Club, you'll find us. You can also get in touch with us through Tom at Connecticut Scuba.
All right, awesome. We're going to keep diving, and thanks for stopping to talk with us, Pete.
Thank you very much.